themselves as white. Now, that's different from how many whites think Latinos are white, but half of all Latinos think they're white. And when you look at the census numbers, and if the census includes among whites, not just non-Hispanic whites, but a Hispanic whites, then in 2043, what would be the percentage of the white population in the country? We're 65% now. What will it be in 2043 if you include Latinos? 72%. If, over the next 30 years, a significant segment of the Latino population come to be accepted as whites, we may be in the midst of a historic expansion of white identity, not a move to whites as a minority in this country. And believe me, the Republicans / Ted Cruz, Marco Rubio understand this, right? And this is why it's so important to understand this is not about racism. They don't care if they win votes by bringing in Marco Rubio, Ted Cruz, Herman Cain. They don't care. They care about winning. They care about power. And if Congress of politics can succeed by wrapping in new groups who can be made racially anxious, that's exactly what it'll do.